So we can decide to change the color scheme of the work. So you can see this is blue and white, but you can change the color scheme. So maybe green, yellow. If you want to change the color scheme, it's also very easy. So let's start with here, the whites here. So we go to the FX. Let's give it, let's say yellow. So let's yellow be here. Click OK. Hello lovely people, welcome to this episode. So today we're going to learn how to design a very simple flyer for Instagram or generally social media posts, but we're going to use Instagram picture size. So let's start. So we go and type our size here. Now the size is in pixels, so you select pixels from here. Then we type it. It's 1080. Then the height is also the same, 1080. So this is the size for Instagram especially. So let's create. So we create the file here. So this is the size we are going to use for our design, our flyer. So first of all, we go to layers. Be sure that we unlock the background. Then we go here. We click on the solid color. Then we pick a color. So let's choose yellow. Click OK. Now before I start a video, I've already prepared my resources already. The video will not be too long, so I have my resources prepared already. Now let's pick this particular 3D design. I created this design on Cinema 4D. So Cinema 4D, I'll give you tutorials on Cinema 4D very soon. Okay, let's change the yellow. So let's say blue, so that you can easily blend with the background. The next thing is to bring our images. So let's bring the image. I've already cropped it so that the video will be faster. Let's bring our image there. I have a tutorial on how to crop an image, so you can check it out. Let's bring the other images. The last image, drop it here. So let's try and clean this particular part of the picture. Use the eraser tool. Make it a bit smaller. So we are going to select all of them. You hold the control key to select all. So you can bring them down a little bit. Alright. So let's go to our resource. Let's go and pick this particular picture for cross. So we want to put it at the background. So we come to the layer, then drag it down like that. So let's go a bit further. Alright. Put it somewhere here. So you can see there's a line here. There's a line. We don't want that line there. We just have to smooth it. We have to blend it in the background. So let's pick our eraser tool to do that for us. Making the eraser a little bigger. You can clean it, blend it, the edges a little, and that's fine. So let's decrease the opacity of the picture here. Let's go to opacity, then decrease it a little bit. Then that's fine. So let's go to our resource. Let's pick this particular resource. So let's put it somewhere here. You can also duplicate it. You can drag and put it inside this particular icon. New layer. So let's go to our resource. This is a little bit. We want it to be aligned. The theme is Dream Killers, so that's the theme, Dream Killers. We want the time to be aligned with that all flow the same way. Let's write the theme. Let's write theme. So theme, let's get the font for the theme. Tuesday nights be okay. So we want to change the color of the font or the theme. Go to T, the text tool, come here, and we're gonna give it white. The text for the program is also here. I've typed all of them already. There are some that I've typed, others too I have to type it here. Let's put it somewhere here. The church logo is also here. We'll decrease it. Put it here. This missionary. Let's go and pick the Remember event. So this is the Remember event. Let's go and pick the dates. the dates. There are the dates here. So designing is all about knowing how to arrange your text, your captions very well, and your color combination. You have to know how to combine colors so it will be attractive. In 2023, decrease it a little bit. Place it nicely. So this is the contact information. It a bit smaller. You want it to be like this, vertical, like that. Let's bring the last one. It's 3D tests. Prayer Festival. I created this one too on Cinema 4D. I'll give you tutorials on Cinema 4D very soon. How to create 3D tests like this. Cinema 4D. It's a very powerful software. So let's put the prayer festival also somewhere there. So that's it. We are done. So we can decide to change the color scheme of the work. So you can see this is blue and white, or you can change the color scheme to maybe green, yellow. If you want to change the color scheme, it's also very easy. So let's start here, the white here. So go to the FX. Let's give it, let's say yellow. Let's yellow be here. Click OK. OK. Then the background too, can give it maybe green or maybe deep green. Deep green is okay. Then the 3D tests, can go to the image adjustment, hue and saturation to change the color. So you can give it lemon green. Pick the eraser. This line here will be off, and and some also there. Obviously, we have easily changed the color scheme. Let's give the theme. So let's write the names of the speakers there. So we are done writing the names of the speakers there. Remember to subscribe. Jason Napa, I'm out.